that these days are awaiting days for everyone. So, before we start, I just want to call all the admins in front of our stage. So you will notice all the admins here, they are all working hard to complete these events for us. Okay, please come forward all the admins. Ayan, Miss Shasha, Kuya Jun, sino pa ba? Okay, so magpapakilala sila sa inyo para at least makilala niyo din sila bago tayo mag-start. Sila po yung nasa likod ng Zumba Heart Fanatics. At
the birthday girls. Hello!
This is Sin Edward. Okay. Oh, so sorry. That is the president of the dance club.
Wow! Yay!
Dance club. Ayan.
Wow!
Ano ba nang anniversary? And happy Mansari to all. Is this somebody? Okay, yun. Yan, happy Mansari. Ayun. So, bali, my name is Henry. I'm the president of the Filipino Dance Club of Dubai.
Wow!
Actually, 1996 pa siya, so batch 80. So, bali, pasa-pasa lang siya ng mga parang.
Galing naman.
Pero yung Filipino Dance Club is more on the
Ang swerte namang sumba pa natin.
And next, our two Sin. I'm so sorry. Sin Ulilan.
I met her already in okay.
Wow! Lapit yung mic. Yes!
Thank you guys.
Yes!
Happy Mansari.
Thank you!
Zumba Heart Fanatic.
Yes! Yes!
Ano daw? Ano? Guys.
Ready na!
Ayan guys, bigay po natin yung the best natin sa pagsayaw. Because this is our moment for our fourth month sa iyo to our Zumba Heart Fanatics. And
Yes.
also to celebrate of our June month. Ayan. Please, sana naman tayo, palagpagan tayo para sa ating
Yes!
Ayan, ready na ba? Ready na ba? Hey!
Kung alam niyo po, balikan sa babae.
Ay, wala mo din tayo.
Ross! Tingin ka sa camera! Back to our scene for the gift. Small gift for Super Heart Fanatics.
Thank you.
Ayan. So, isa-isa. Bigyan natin
Game,
sila.
game.
Ayan.
Game
Small
na.
gift from Super Heart Fanatics. Ayan. Thank you po. On behalf of Super Heart Fanatics, we are giving you small gifts for our appreciation.
Ay, picture ba na?
Yes,
Picture na.
yes.
Picture na.
Meron.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming. Okay. Oh, pinicturean
Or sabay-sabay na lang kayo. Sige na, sabay-sabay na.
Sarun! Sarun!
Dan.
Dan Marie!
Dan! Nasaan ka? You're special. Okay. Nasaan na yung isa?
Ito wala.
Okay lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Ayan. Tapos picture ng lahat. Lahat sila.
Closer, please! Okay, ako.
Closer, closer. Ayan.
Lagi na lang.
Guys, let's start and be ready for our cool band.
Okay. Cross to it. Forward. Backward.
Hold down nyo. Kantahan pala. Yes.
Bless you, you may God bless you all. Philippines are amazing people. I'm the only black and I'm enjoying
Yay! Yay! Thank you.
Thank ka! Walang ka na dito yung kapatid ko.
Palakpakan kay Rose!
Pilipat lang kami!
Kay Tinene! Kay Ate Riv! Oo, kaya nanalo si Ate Riv! Tanggapin mo kayong iPhone 15!
iPhone 15.
iPhone 15!
Wow!
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Energetic, and you know already, I'm here always with you,
Yes.
and I love you.
Yes. Wow. Thank you.
Thank you so much to Yam Yam. Very, very nice.
Wow.
Thank you and I love you. Ate J, thank you. Ate J,
Hoy, makinig kayo.
Makinig kayo!
when I start here because of Ate J.
Yes.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Mami.
Wow.
Thank you, all of you. You know what? You are in my heart. I love you.
Yay! Message.
Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you sa mag-spend ng time para makabili ng gift sa amin. Really appreciate
Yes.
it. And sana matagal kayong family natin.
Yes!
love. Huwag tayo mamat, okay?
Yes!
Tawa na tagpuhan. Family tayo.
Yes!
Okay guys, thank you so much.
In behalf of Ate Lodi.
Ate Lodi.
Ate Lodi nyo. Nagtatanggap kami nun. Oh, thank you so much for this. Hindi siya naka-attend kasi.
Bakit?
Nasa hotel siya, celebration.
Wow!
Okay guys, isang
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you.
Gift.
Okay? Are you okay now? Did you eat? Okay, ready from the count of
Kapag
ten.
na
Okay, wala po kayo
Kapag na ganito, doon ka sa kabila.
8, 7,
Doon ka sa
6,
kabila.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ready, set!
Oh, meron pa yan. Ready, get set, go!
Sige, go! Go!
Yes!
Go! Go! Go, Michelle!
Go, Michelle!
Michelle!
Go, Michelle! Magaspang kasi yung mukha nito! Yay! You have a rough face.
Guys, picture. Kunti na yung bayan.
Saan na yung bago? Picture.
Picture. Amuyin,
May
amuyin.
white! May white!
May white.
May white!
Oh, there is a white.
May white! Black! Black!
Black.
Hindi yung rubber!
Rubber. Okay na yan, Ben. Okay na yan.
Yay!
Bring me lovers holding hands together.
Yay!
Bring me lovers holding hands together.
Yay! Hala! Hala!
Bakit na yung mata? Oh! Oh! Ito na!
Pawi na nga eh.
Okay. Hand claps and lover holding hands each other.
Yay!
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay!
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello, Zumba Heart fanatics! Happy 4th month sorry! Yeah, so keep it up. You guys are all amazing. Keep it up. Love you. Hi, Zumba Heart fanatics. Keep going, guys. Tuloy lang, tuloy. Kahit ano sabihin ng iba, go pa rin. Para sa atin yan.
Salamat po.